The ZENG Meat Cleaver Knife, Chinese cleaver knife, butcher knife, heavy duty kitchen knife, stainless steel bone chopping, cutting chef knives, sharp blade boning knife for home, camping, barbecue, or restaurant. That's what the listing says. I know knives. I know knives very well. As a person who has been cooking for over 10 years professionally, I can tell you this is a nice knife. I have big hands and I normally don't like fancy knives. This is a nice, comfortable handle. It's a full tang, so you see that the blade goes all the way through here, so you just gotta hope these rivets don't loosen up, but the handle's not gonna break off when you're chopping down through some chicken bones or something. It's high carbon steel, but it's high carbon stainless steel. So I am thinking it's not gonna rust as readily as just high carbon steel would. However, they do suggest that if you're not gonna use it for a while, you might wanna put a light coat of vegetable oil on it. They say this is a heavy duty meat knife, and I tell you what, it's not bending. It's not too heavy. I could probably use this as a chef knife if I had to. I don't have to. And the blade is incredibly sharp right out of the box, and I'm really happy with that too. I can't wait to do some cooking with this thing. This is a really nice knife. I like it. I think you will too. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.